After what, 2 weeks? 2 weeks of not having TikTok, I just downloaded again.
She joined the dark side.
We're at Rosemary Beach at my beach house.
In Florida.
Katie's getting ready.
Like Bella said, we're in Seaside, Rosemary. They're pretty much like, I use them interchangeably because they're so close to each other, but I feel like more people know what Seaside is than Rosemary Beach. Pretty much the same thing. But we're in Florida for the long weekend. We didn't have school yesterday, which was Friday, and that's when we got here. And I didn't vlog yesterday, so we're gonna vlog today. It's Saturday, 10:36 Florida time, because where we are, it's like an hour time difference. Yesterday we got here, it was a 6-hour car drive from Georgia, but we went to the beach yesterday, and then we went to Seaside because we're staying in Rosemary, which is like a 15-minute drive, and we ate at a place called Pickles for dinner.
So good.
It was really good. I got up an hour and a half before Bella did because she slept a lot, but we got up and then we biked to like this donut, what would you call it, like a food truck? Yeah, like a donut truck. The plan for today is to go to the beach. Obviously, that's why we're here. We are probably gonna go to the beach and lay out. That's what we did yesterday for like 2 hours, and it was so nice. And I cannot wait to do that again. And then tonight, Bella and I are going on a date with just us. So that's the plan. We're gonna get ready, put on a bathing suit. The water's way too cold to get in.
Yeah, it's like ice water.
It's really, really cold. There's no way we could go in it. I put my hands in it yesterday. We're gonna go to Sugar Shack first to bribe Bella's brother to come to the We are dressed and ready. We're gonna go bike to Sugar Shack, like I said, to go get her brother some candy. I don't know if I'm gonna bring my camera because I don't really want to carry it while we're biking, but here's the outfit of the day. So I'm just wearing this yellow Shelly Co shirt. That's what the back looks like. And then I have no pants on. We're in the beach. It doesn't really matter. These sunglasses are from Princess Polly. This is just my wallet. And my bikini, these bottoms, I have no idea where they're from. And this top, I also have no idea where it's from. I'm so sorry.
I'm wearing my Caiti bathing suit.
That one's so cute.
I love it. And then this is from Goodwill, so.
Outfits. You can't even see me. Here we go. We went to the Sugar Shack and we bought Bella's brother ice cream that he didn't even want.
I'm upset about it.
Yeah, kind of put a downer, but you know, it's okay. And then we went and took pictures on her deck outside, and we just put sunscreen on, and now we're putting back our shirts on, and now we're gonna go to the beach. I don't think I'm gonna bring this to the beach because if it gets sand in the camera lens, then it's gonna be broken forever.
We can use my GoPro.
Oh yeah, so I'll probably vlog on my phone a little bit. Time to go, hopefully tan. That's the plan.
I remembered how to turn the camera on.
No, the fact that you even picked it up is a good thing, because I always forget.
We're now back from the beach. We now put on clothes.
I'm wearing the same shirt, but I put on shorts now, so.
Yes. I took Katie's sunglasses.
Yes, she did, and I took hers.
I like them.
We took more pictures at the beach, but
yes.
My face is red, so that's like a good sign. But
yes.
We're gonna go eat pizza for lunch. It's like 2 o'clock,
yeah.
So it's kind of late. Also, I had to put my hair up like this, and I look like Cindy Lou Who.
Just a tad.
But it's because my scalp was getting burnt, and so that was like really hurt if it gets worse. So this is what we're gonna do. But I'm putting moisturizer.
So this is our room. I won't show you the floor. There's 2 sets of bunk beds. And then we have a balcony. And here's the balcony. We're actually gonna get Tyler out of the house, my little brother.
Yay!
He's been playing with Legos all day.
First time in 2 days.
He refused my ice cream sandwich I bought him. So this is our way of getting him out of the house, and he still doesn't want to go, but like, it's fine.
He's going to go.
He's gonna go.
He's gonna love it.
We're not gonna give him a choice.
Time to go eat pizza. We just got done eating at Pizza by the Sea. It was so good. Like, that was my first time eating there. 10 out of 10. But we're gonna shop around at the little shops now because I want to get a Seacrest shirt. So we're gonna go into all the, like, you know, gift shops where they have all the pretty much the same thing for different prices. Yep. These shorts are so cute. I would totally wear those. I found 2 shirts though. I think I'm gonna get them because there's like a little deal, but I have that one and that one. Pretty basic. I have a Seaside sweatshirt, so I wanted to get like different ones. These are super cute though.
Look at this.
That is so cute. The plan after we got back from eating pizza was to just get showered and clean up and go take pictures. And Alice, it was gonna be like fun, and then we were gonna go to a fancier dinner, just Bella and I, but we screwed up. So I packed like a fancier outfit, and I was planning on wearing this new skirt that I got, but it's too big, and all the tops that I brought for it just don't go with it at all. And then Bella wanted to wear these pants with this shirt, but she left the shirt at Georgia. So we're kind of like,
we're winning.
I'm clean though, she's clean, so that's a good thing, but like I'm wearing literally the shirt I bought at the gift shop.
Wait, we could go to the Mexican place. Do you like Mexican food?
I love Mexican food.
Okay, sweet. We can just go there.
Okay.
Boom. Problem solved.
No more fancy. Casual it is. That was kind of annoying. We were gonna get fondue, which if you don't know what that is, that's like melted cheese and melted chocolate that you dip into things.
It's so bad.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, Mexican food. It's like 7:30 now, and we basically just napped until 6. And then Bella's dad and their family friend that's also here went out to eat, and we watched Bella's little brother. But now it's our turn to go out to eat, so we're gonna go bike. Do you know what the Mexican place is called?
La Cocina.
We're gonna go there and go get dinner. Bella and I are going on a date. But instead of fancy, big t-shirts. So the outfit of the day, this is from the gift shop in Rosemary Beach. I have black Nike shorts. You can probably see the black Nike bra through the shirt. And then I'm also wearing my fake Birks from Target, which actually, I really like these shoes. Like, they're perfect beach shoes, so I definitely recommend. But I look bad. I'm kind of sunburned, but that's a good thing because it looks like you got sun, you know? The food actually got here very fast, but I got a chicken quesadilla and she got fancy food. But now it is time to grub.
So, Katie got full after eating 2 pieces of her queso. Quesadilla.
Hey, I don't know why, I'm just full. Bella got a whole meal, so you need to eat, lady. So we finished eating at La Cocina. La Cocino. I don't know what it was. We're driving home on the bikes now. We've been on the bikes literally like every single day, multiple times a day. It's the easiest and fastest way of transportation, which is honestly like my favorite thing, is you can go anywhere and do anything. It's super safe and you don't have to have a license, which is good for me because I don't have that. We're gonna go home. Last night, Bella went to bed so early. She literally turned all the lights off at 8 o'clock and didn't move.
9:30.
No, it was not. Okay, I'll give you 8:30, maybe. And she did not move until she fell asleep at 10. Hopefully we'll do something fun tonight. I don't really know. It's cold. Oh, I definitely just ran into a tree. I've been talking for a minute and we're literally almost back to her house. So bye before my camera runs out of freaking battery. Renegade. Can you teach me the renegade? I don't know how to do it. I'm serious. I only know the beginning. Okay. I just realized that I'm the ugly friend.
No, you're not.
Don't lie.
No, you're not.
Don't lie. Oh, wait, what? You go. I didn't know that.
You know the ending.
Yeah, I don't know what to do in the beginning.
Katie's so behind on her TikTok dances.
Okay.
Katie, I need you to pick.
What are we doing? Bella just set up the camera for no reason and I'm kind of scared.
How many letters are there in the alphabet?
26. Wait, what? You didn't know that?
What's 26 times 2?
62? Alexa, what's 20? Oh, Alexa. Hey Siri, what's 26 plus 26? 52. Okay.
What's that plus 12?
64.
64. Pick a number 1 through 64.
23.
Oh no, I have to count.
That's my birthday.
2, 3, 20.
What if I said
21,
62?
22, 23. What's the worst lie you've ever told Cole?
Oh, are we playing truth or dare?
We're playing truth or truth.
Truth or truth? Bruh, I don't lie to him.
Or like something like you've kept from him.
I have no idea.
Okay, well you have to answer.
Should I ask him? We'll see if he answers. I don't know where he is. I have a question. What's the worst lie I've ever told you?
You love me.
Don't even.
Look, I was trying to be funny. You're supposed to laugh.
I laugh.
You choose a number 1 through 23. What's the dumbest thing you ever done to impress somebody?
I don't know.
Bruh, I have to put this in here. Cole just said, why are you wondering? You don't lie. It's hard to think of anything. Okay, it needs to focus.
There we go.
This is proof. I literally don't lie. Okay, what's the dumbest thing you've ever done?
It was so bad. So we were on a cruise and I was with my sister. There's like this group of people and like I was like younger and they were all really old. The baddest thing that you've done. And like I was just like this innocent little like 12-year-old. No, I told them that I stole my mom's car and like I
So you tried to impress them by telling them you were a 12-year-old who stole your mom's car.
Because all of them were saying like bad stuff, but I was like, I don't know.
I don't do anything.
What's the longest time you've left food on the floor before eating it?
I don't know, a few minutes maybe? Wait, no, that's kind of gross. Probably not a few minutes. Probably less than a minute. If it's been on the floor for longer than like 10 seconds, don't eat it. 5-second rule's a thing. On a scale of 1 to 10, how attractive do you think you are? Be honest.
A 6?
You're so phony. No.
I literally don't know.
Don't even. Give a more accurate number.
What did you say?
9.75.
Oh, you're so sweet.
No, be accurate.
I literally don't know.
Girl, if you're a 6, then I'm literally -4. Ow!
If your best friend had body odor, would you tell them?
Yes. I'm not gonna let them smell bad. I would definitely want someone to tell me.
Do I smell bad?
No. You always smell like that cotton candy perfume and it's good. I put on deodorant like 6 times a day.
I have it in my backpack.
I literally put it on so much because that's like one of my biggest things.
Yes, I don't want to smell bad.
And if I forget, I'm automatically in a bad mood.
Yeah.
So it's happened to me like this year twice where I forget to put on deodorant. No, Cole
Really?
comes to school second period, so I'll tell him to bring me deodorant.
Because like you use men's, so like
yeah, it doesn't matter.
yeah, men's like works
so much better.
Old Spice.
Have you ever stolen anything?
Okay, it wasn't my fault. Well, okay, no, it was my fault. So we were at the beach.
Perfect question.
We were in like this like junk shop thing, and Katie got the shirt. You know, like those coil bracelets. Katie has like
Coil hair ties.
But there was like a rack with like a bunch of them on it, and like I was just looking at them. I was this one. It's like pink metallic.
Stole it.
Playing with them, and I walked out with it on my hand.
So Bella, go to jail. You're a stealer.
If like the police find this video, they arrest me.
I don't think they're gonna care about your 99-cent bracelet that's made in China. It's so pretty though.
It is really pretty.
Like it's really pretty. You got lucky. Don't tell anyone I said that.
Have you ever pretended to be sick to get out of going somewhere? And why? And like where?
Yes, I have, but not sick. Like I pretended that like my period cramps were really bad. I get really bad period cramps.
Me
Like
too.
like really bad. I have to take a lot of medicine for it. One day, like they weren't too bad, so I complained that they were extra bad, so I didn't have to go somewhere. I don't remember. I do that a lot.
Wait, this is a good one for you.
Okay.
Okay, what's the longest you've gone without brushing your teeth?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, Katie brushes her, like she like stresses out when she doesn't brush her teeth.
yeah.
It's so funny.
That's like a big
like it's like
thing
a
to
big
me.
like hygienic thing.
It
which
is.
I'm just exhausted after like a party or something.
Absolutely
Like
not.
I like just fall asleep without like but then
No.
I'll feel gross in the morning. Okay,
No.
what's the longest you've gone?
There's some things that I just have to do, and putting on deodorant and brushing my teeth are 2 of them. Literally, Bella fell asleep so early last night, and I didn't bring toothpaste because I forgot it. I went to bed like 2 hours after her, and I spent 15 minutes looking for toothpaste. Could not find it anywhere, and I didn't want to
I
wake
told
her
her
up.
to wake me up.
I didn't want to. And then this morning, I woke up an hour and a half before her, and I couldn't find the toothpaste. So I went last night and then 2 hours before her that I didn't brush my teeth, and I felt disgusting. Literally, the first thing I said to her when she woke up was like, "Where's toothpaste?" But with that being said, longest without, probably like a day, maybe, or 2. I really don't know.
When I was younger, I hated brushing my teeth.
A lot of
Like
people
I
are
went
like that.
days without brushing my teeth.
Even if I forget a toothbrush, like finger, oh yeah, I do all that. I can't. Like the teeth, the bad breath, that's just something that could not do. Have you ever had a crush on one of your teachers?
Ew.
I'll bleep the name. That's so funny. Please tell me you haven't.
Ew, that's gross. Yeah, I've had a crush on a camp counselor, but like not.
A teacher? Ew, that'd just be weird. I'm just thinking about
Gross.
all my teachers and like, I don't even know what this segment was. We've literally been talking for 30 minutes. Hopefully I can edit it down to not 30 minutes, but
Yeah, good luck.
yeah, great. Thank you guys for watching our Girl talk, that's what we'll call it. Girl
Girls
talk. I don't know what the plan is for tomorrow. We might end up leaving.
Yeah.
And we're supposed to leave Monday because we don't have school. It's President's Day. But it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow.
Yes, there'd be no point of just like staying here.
And she's going on another vacation literally right when we get back. Like, it's crazy.
I'm only gonna be at school for 2 days.
Don't know what the plans are.
1, 2, 3. Peace in the...
Oh. I'm literally so fake. Okay, wait. Go down below and subscribe. Follow all my social media and shop the merch because why wouldn't you want to buy it? It's great.
It's really cute.
This is adorable. Like, the pink is so cute. And it's
I
on
like
the
the pink.
sleeve.
Oh, it's on this. I didn't know that.
Oh, yeah. It's cute. Go buy it. Why wouldn't you want to buy it? Now we
Super
can do
cute,
it.
super soft. Okay.
Super
1.
soft.
Peace in the Middle East.
Anyway, I got my toes in it.